Okay, so we have a brand new file that we can start populating with content. We're going to go over to the panels on the right hand side and click on Pages, and here you see the icons of all the different pages that we've created. Right now we are on page 1 in the document. There is all of the pages in this lower area are the pages of the document. The pages up here are icons for parent pages, which we'll talk about in a minute. But there's other things that we can do in the Pages panel. We can create pages if we wanted to. We can throw away pages. We can do lots of different things. There's also the options. There's also the options button, and we can do a bunch of different things using the options as well. In a booklet type of document, the even page is always on the left and the odd page is always on the right. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on the A Parent section, and we're going to double click, and that opens up the parent pages, the full spread of the parent pages. We're going to create guides. Whatever we do on the parent pages will show up on our document pages. You'll notice the little A's in all of the icons of the document pages. That coincides with what parent page you're on. We're going to go ahead and create our guides. So we're going to go to Layout and then Guides. We want 4 rows. We want our gutter to be 1.25. Columns, we want 2. So we don't want a gutter in our columns. We're going to make sure that our guides fit to the page, the full page, and not just the margins. So we're clicking on Page, and then we're going to click OK. And now you can see these light blue lines have created on our page, and we can use those. Those are non-printing. Same with the margin lines, they are non-printing as well. They're just here to help us and guide us in our placement of the elements in the document. Okay, so now we're manually going to add guides to our parent page. We're going to click on the ruler, and when you click on the ruler and click and drag, you bring down a guide. If you bring it into the page, it only goes as far as the page. But if you hit Command or Control on a PC, then the guide spreads the entire document as well as into the pasteboard. We're moving it down, and as you see on the right of the pointer, you'll see a Y value, and that is the spacing that it's going to be from the top of the page. We want ours to be 0.375, and we kind of just place it right there. We're going to place a second guide, a horizontal guide. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to click on the horizontal ruler on the top, and we're going to click and we're going to drag. We're going to hit Command to make sure that the guide spans the entire document. And we're going to come down to 10.75 right at the bottom there. And we're going to drop it and let it go. Then we're going to place a vertical guide. We're going to click on the vertical ruler on the left. We're going to click and drag, and we're going to watch our X value this time, and we're going to place it on 0.5 inches. We're going to place another one across the document at 16.5 inches. So we're going to click on the vertical ruler, click and hold and drag, and bring it all the way over. And watching our X value, we're going to place it at 16.5. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and save our document. So we're going to go click on File, Save As. We're going to place it in our Chapter 3 folder, and we're going to call this one. If you click on, I'm going to click on O3 End in Lesson 3, and that copies the file name. But I'm going to, instead of do end, I'm going to do Start and hit Save.